Hello there, my name is Kirik and you are on Kirik Games channel, and today I'm starting my devlog. I have one principle that I follow. Don't talk about your plans, surprise with results. I'm a creative guy, and if I discuss all my plans, I will soon become a guy who only talks, not acts. And this is the reason why I tried not to tell anybody that I started creating my own game. I have been in IT for a long time as a web developer, but decided to change my specialization and become a game designer. I checked the market, and if you want to get a job as a game designer, you should have at least one shipped project or something to show that you understand how games work from the inside. I started creating my game. Quiet, not sharing with anybody. Alone by myself. I read books about game development, listened to interviews and watched thousands of videos until I saw some excellent advice that changed my attitude toward development. In the video 8 game development mistakes to avoid from the Ask Game Dev channel, they say that keeping your game in secret is not a good point. It's hard to get people to see your game. And I thought that it's better to have a successful project in your portfolio than a game nobody heard about. So I decided to go against my principle for this time and share my game development progress with you. It may motivate me to finish, and I have almost 3 weeks of development behind, so I have something to tell you. Okay, let's make goals. Try me as a game designer. I will talk more about making ideas, making decisions, and making a game, and less about code. Create a game design document. I started to maintain my game design document in Confluence because documentation is one of the most important aspects of my future work. Make a successful release on Steam. This is one of the metrics that the game is good. Also, I want to improve my voice acting, language, audio communications, and so on. Okay, now let's dive into it. I already worked with the Unity engine in the past. I did a digital version of the Smash Up board game as my first year project at university and recreated minigames from the Among Us game. But I can't say that I know Unity. I do not understand how it works. That's why I decided to stop for a little and just learn the basics. For a few days I made a platformer game with step-by-step videos, but no one will play another platformer game. This understanding leads me to deconstruction what a platformer is. In a platformer game you should reach the finish line, jumping on platforms, avoiding traps and enemies, and picking up collectibles such as coins and stars. And I thought, what if we remove jumping from that formula? I wasn't the first man who had this idea. For example, we have an excellent game called Super Mag Bot, where you use magnets to move on platforms. Also, I found the Load Runner game and Suit F. However, if my character can't jump, what else can he do? What if he walks on walls and ceilings and, for example, fall from it? That's how I created an idea of slime game. That's it. I will show the rest in my following videos, so please share my video with others, it will encourage me to finish my game. See you next week.